Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase feedback collection with Typeform, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Typeform account on their website. Once logged in, select Create a Typeform to start a new project. Choose from available templates or start from scratch to personalize your form. Design your Typeform by dragging and dropping question types into your workspace. Include a mix of question formats such as multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended responses. Customize the appearance of your Typeform by selecting colors, fonts, and images that fit your brand. Incorporate logic jumps to guide respondents to relevant questions based on their previous answers. Ensure your questions are clear and concise to encourage thoughtful responses. Preview your Typeform to see how it will appear to respondents. Once satisfied, publish your Typeform to make it live for collection. Share your Typeform link via email, social media, or embed it on your website. Monitor responses in real time through the Typeform dashboard. Analyze the feedback collected to gain insights into your audience's needs. Use the insights to make informed decisions that enhance your services or products. Consider sending follow-up emails or reminders to participants who have yet to respond. Continuously refine your Typeform based on user feedback and engagement metrics. Repeat this process to create additional forms as needed for ongoing feedback collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.